Welcome to the premier spot for hydrogen product reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing the Essence V2 hydrogen water bottle from Spirit H2. Let's dive in. My name is Taiwan Hubbard with H2 Hub, and this is the Essence V2 hydrogen water bottle from the company Spirit H2. If you're in the market for a premier hydrogen water bottle with some of the highest H2 levels ever encountered, this is the review for you. In this video, we're going to be breaking this product down in 6 points. What is it for and who is it for? Details such as price, key features and comparisons, user experience, safety and maintenance, our seal of approval, my own personal opinion, and 3 reasons why you should consider this product. What is it for? This H2 water bottle lets you enjoy hydrogen water conveniently at home or on the go. It specializes in producing high concentration hydrogen-rich water in just 5 to 10 minutes. Who is it for? This product is perfect for the newcomer wanting to experience hydrogen water without a hefty investment. It's ideal for those seeking one of the most effective hydrogen water bottles on the market, backed by rigorous testing for efficacy and safety. Plus, it's designed for busy individuals who need a reliable hydrogen water bottle that's easy to take on the go. Now, let's get into the details, starting with the company. Spirit H2 is based out of Canada. Though it is a new and smaller company, it stands out for exceptional integrity in an industry where that is rare. They have gone to great lengths to ensure this bottle is high quality, safe, and delivers verifiable high concentrations of hydrogen. According to their website, it states, "We are committed to continue our positive impact on the lives of people and their pets, and we believe Spirit H2 is part of the puzzle of good living." Let's look at the price point of this H2 bottle. Right now, this system retails for $259 USD, but with the H2 Hub discount, you can get $24 off using our code H2 Hub. That makes the price point $233.10, not including shipping. This hydrogen water bottle has the highest dissolved hydrogen concentration tested out of any hydrogen water bottle listed on our website to date. Yet, it's not the most expensive, offering excellent value for its performance. Let's look at the key features. Meet the Essence V2, featuring a compact 230 milliliters or 7.7 ounce bottle that's perfect for hydration on the go. Its sleek diamond cut design not only looks stunning, but also provides an easy grip for effortless use. At the top, you'll find an intuitive pressure release button, making it simple to generate hydrogen-rich water and open the bottle. Whether you're at home or out and about, this bottle is your ideal H2 water generator. It operates on either 5 minutes or 10-minute cycles, delivering high-quality hydrogen water whenever you need it. Operating this bottle couldn't be easier. Just a single touch and you're set. It utilizes German technology for its electrolysis assembly, featuring a reinforced Nafion 117 PEM membrane and a dual chamber configuration, ensuring a high rate of dissolved hydrogen gas. Charging is a breeze with this rechargeable lithium polymer battery and a USB Type-C cable. Safety is paramount with this bottle. Oxygen, chlorine, and ozone are efficiently separated and expelled through a tiny vent at the base, making the bottle safe and effective. Spirit H2 takes pride in assurity and safety, having undergone stringent quality control checks by both third-party inspections and the company itself. It meets all necessary certifications and exceeds safety requirements in the US and Canada. Available in a range of unique color options suited for your personal style. With this excellent quality and affordable price, Spirit H2 offers a fantastic value. So, what are you getting for your money? This is a high-end hydrogen water bottle that's expertly engineered to deliver verifiable H2 concentrations exceeding 6 milligrams per liter, amongst the highest available. It has been rigorously tested by third-party authorities and labs, ensuring safety and performance, including checks for metal. Let's see how the Essence V2 stacks up against similar products. While many hydrogen water bottles on the market fall short in quality and hydrogen levels, this bottle is a standout exception. It boasts the highest H2 concentration tested in the industry so far and features German-made electrodes and PEM assembly. Rigorously tested by third parties for both water quality and hydrogen concentration. It's clear that Jenny, the owner of Spirit H2, has dedicated herself to delivering top-notch, safe products. Her commitment to integrity is unmatched in this industry. If you're looking for one of the best hydrogen water bottles available, this is it. Now, the user experience. Let's take a closer look at this straightforward yet high-performance hydrogen water bottle. On the back, you will find a USB Type-C charging port for easy and efficient recharging. The front features an activation button and a digital display for intuitive operation. The bottle comes with 3 simple pieces: the generator, the bottle itself, and the lid. The generator is where the magic happens. It uses PEM-SPE water electrolysis to produce pure hydrogen gas. There's also a small pinhole on the bottom of the bottle that vents excess oxygen and other byproducts produced during electrolysis process. This is a crucial feature to ensure unwanted gases like O2, ozone, and chlorine do not contaminate your drinking water. The bottle is made from shatterproof plastic and screws onto the generator for a secure fit. The lid features a pressure release button and screws onto the bottle to ensure a tight seal. To use the bottle, pour filtered water up to the bottom of the threads, screw the lid on tightly, activate the bottle by pressing the button. A single press starts a 5-minute cycle, while a second press extends it to 10 minutes. The digital display will show the cycle time. Let the bottle run its cycle without opening it. When it's done, push the pressure release button and open the lid. For best results, pour the water gently into another glass before drinking. Drink quickly, as hydrogen gas will escape from the water soon after. To turn off the bottle while running, hold down the activation button. And that's it. This hydrogen water bottle combines simplicity with high performance. Let's talk about the safety features of this exceptional hydrogen water bottle. First, the bottle's design ensures no contaminants or byproducts enters the water, thanks to its high-end dual-chamber PEM cell. Next, the dual specialized pressure release valve in the lid prevents excessive pressure from building up. The lid passively releases pressure once the bottle reaches a certain PSI, and also features a manual pressure release button for easy opening. This design significantly reduces the safety risk of opening a pressurized bottle. The bottle has undergone rigorous third-party laboratory testing to ensure the water is safe to drink and free from heavy metals, meeting national health and safety regulations. Finally, it comes with a food-grade PC bottle that prevents shattering, unlike glass, ensuring durability and safety. With these top-notch safety features, you can enjoy your hydrogen water with peace of mind. Maintaining your hydrogen water bottle is simple and ensures it continues to perform at its best. Here's how to keep it in top condition. First, descale the electrodes once a month by using white vinegar or citric acid. This keeps the plates clean and running optimally. Secondly, periodically wash the bottle portion with soap and water, avoiding washing the generator or the lid. Third, disinfect your bottle at least once a week, specifically if you're drinking directly from it. We recommend using hypochlorous acid, which we'll link in the description, or other common disinfectants. Remember to rinse thoroughly before using again. For best hygiene, we advise pouring the water into a cup before consuming. This prevents bacteria from your mouth entering the generator. Lastly, charge your battery when it gets low. It's good practice to charge it at the end of each day. Following these simple steps will keep your hydrogen water bottle in peak condition. Let's get into our seal of approval. Here at H2 Hub, we third-party test and analyze hydrogen products against our in-house performance standards, which are based on clinical studies. This way, we ensure our recommendations are providing similar levels of hydrogen gas that are seen in studies, and protects consumers, ensuring they're going to get a product that's providing them therapeutic levels of hydrogen gas. You can view our H2 performance standards on the H2 Hub website, and each recommended product comes with an approved H2 Hub test report. Let's discuss the Essence V2 laboratory test results. The Essence V2 bottle has had independent laboratory testing via H2 Analytics, which is a US-based hydrogen laboratory specializing in the analysis of hydrogen water products. Per our policy, since the device has an H2 Analytics test report, we sought to confirm their results through our H2 Hub evaluation. Last but definitely not least, the Essence V2 has been certified to IHSA standards. IHSA stands for the International Hydrogen Standards Association, which is led by top scientists specializing in the therapeutic applications of molecular hydrogen. This organization develops standards for measuring hydrogen gas and guidelines for its therapeutic applications, drawing from the latest scientific research on molecular hydrogen's medical use. This certification signifies that the Essence V2 has undergone rigorous testing by industry leaders, including H2 Analytics, confirming it meets safety standards and therapeutic dose requirements set forth by experts in this field. Hydrogen products that have been evaluated and approved by H2 Hub, tested by H2 Analytics, and certified to IHSA standards earns H2 Hub's highest endorsement. As a result, the Essence V2 is recognized for its safety, therapeutic efficacy, and reliability, making it one of the best hydrogen water bottles in the industry. Here are the results. We confirm the bottle holds a volume of 230 milliliters or 7.7 ounces of water. The hydrogen concentration on the 5-minute cycle time was confirmed to be 2.73 milligrams per liter or ppm. The 10-minute cycle time was confirmed to produce 6.23 milligrams per liter or ppm. This means that the bottle was able to dissolve 0.61 milligrams of H2 within the bottle on the 5-minute cycle time and was able to dissolve 1.4 milligrams of H2 in the bottle on the 10-minute cycle time. Considering its verified H2 levels, the bottle is approved as a level 4 hydrogen water product, which is exceptional and the only level 4 hydrogen water bottle this far. All right, so let's go ahead and discuss my personal opinion of this bottle. First things first, I absolutely love the Essence V2 bottle. First and foremost, it's sold by an awesome company that has a lot of integrity behind it, and you don't see that in the industry that we're in when it comes to hydrogen therapy, which is unfortunate. Hopefully that changes in the future, and we're doing our part to make sure that changes. But secondly, man, the quality and hydrogen concentration of this bottle is really second to none. This bottle has exceptional build quality from its lid down to its generator and even its bottle itself. And we've even opened this bottle up and looked internally in the generator. And it's just got really good engineering, really good quality. And then I can't speak any more highly about the concentration. I mean, concentration. This bottle, it just exceeds all the categories for hydrogen concentration with these bottles. Typically, for a high concentration hydrogen water bottle, they range anywhere between 3 milligrams per liter to 5 milligrams per liter of hydrogen gas dissolved into the water. And really good bottles can do 5 milligrams per liter. And that is exceptional. That is a top of the line type of hydrogen concentration that can be achieved from a hydrogen water bottle. And this bottle has verifiable results that it can produce 6.23 milligrams per liter of H2 dissolved into the water. And we've actually verified it at producing 6.1 milligrams per liter H2 dissolved into the water, and that's its peak concentration. Now, our averages are like a little lower, but as a peak concentration, that's pretty remarkable for a hydrogen water bottle. And while you'll see many claims online that there's hydrogen water bottles that are on the market that can do 8 ppm or 10 ppm, we have yet to be able to verify any bottle that can do truly above 6 milligrams per liter. Currently, this is the only bottle that can do that, which makes for basically a hydrogen water bottle that can give you an exceptional dose of hydrogen gas within your body. We're only drinking a few of these bottles a day. And so if you're talking about this bottle producing around 6 ppm and taking the 7.7 ounces of water, that translates to almost basically 1.4 milligrams of H2 dissolved into this bottle within 10 minutes. You drink two of these, you get 3 milligrams of H2 into your body, which is phenomenal for a hydrogen water bottle. So other than that, the only thing I would say about the bottle is that it does do a really good job with safety. It has a specialized lid that has a passive pressure release valve and a manual pressure release valve, which is this button on the top. And so when the bottle's done, instead of trying to open a pressurized bottle, you can just go ahead and push the button and it'll release the pressure, and then you open it, and then there you go. It's good to go. It makes it easy to open. You're not trying to, you don't have to have Hulk hands to basically open the bottle because it dissolves a lot of hydrogen gas under pressure. So That's basically it. I really do think currently right now, this bottle checks all the boxes for a hydrogen water bottle, and you really couldn't go wrong with this bottle. So that'll be my personal opinion about the Essence V2. Final thoughts and conclusion. The Spirit H2 hydrogen water bottle stands out as a top tier choice in the market. With its high H2 concentration, you can easily ingest a significant dose of hydrogen daily with just 3 to 5 bottles. The technology and H2 concentration have been verified by leading authorities, including us. This bottle is backed by a reputable company known for its integrity, setting a high standard for quality in the industry. While hydrogen water bottles have surged in popularity, many fall short in its performance and reliability. With the Essence V2, you can be confident you're choosing a product that truly delivers. It's a dependable and effective hydrogen water bottle that you can trust. 3 reasons why you should consider this product. First, it offers the highest verifiable dissolved hydrogen gas levels of any hydrogen water bottle in the industry. Second, it boasts exceptional quality and a sleek, user-friendly design. And third, it comes with a great price point. It's budget-friendly and incredibly easy to use. Question: what is your favorite thing about the Spirit H2 bottle? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for this channel. That way you can keep up with all of our content that we're putting out and new release dates or new releases of our reviews for these products. Catch you next time at the H2 Hub.